Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will learn how we can crop an area of the digital elevation model for our area of interest. So for this, to crop it, I will go to the analysis tools, and here I will search extract by mask. For example, if you want to search it like within the toolbox, then how you can search it, I will also show you this. For example, I want this extract by mask tool from the toolboxes like this. So here you can search a lot of tools, and you can come to the spatial analyst tools, and within the spatial analyst tool, extraction, and here you can select extract by attributes, by circle, by mask, by point, polygon, and rectangle, and a lot of other tools are available here. So I will select the extract by mask from here. To extract by mask, I will select the DEM and the area of interest for which I need the digital elevation model within that area. And this is the output raster. So I will change only the output raster like extract DEM. And I need the area inside of this. If I need it outside of the area, so I will select the outside, and only this area will be retained, the outside area, and the this will be extracted, and the rest of that the area will be discarded. So I need the inside of this area and this polygon, so I will run it. So here you can see the digital elevation model has been extracted for my area of interest. Now you can uncheck this digital elevation model, and now let me give it the color. You can also give it a color from the symbology. You can select the discrete, classify, unique values, shaded relief, or any other, but I will now select the stretch and the color for it, this one. Okay, so here you can see the digital elevation model for the your area of interest. If you want to check the digital elevation model values, so you can click on the explore and you can click it here like this area has 2588 elevation, meter elevation. The elevation for this area will be 4, it's actually 445. Okay, and the red have very higher elevation for this area. Linear band 8. Okay, and now here you can see the digital elevation model of your area of interest. Okay, you can also classify it, and you can see that the classified version of it, like go to the symbology. Sometime we need it in the classified format, classify it, and let me select 12 classes for now. Okay, and let me change the color scheme of. So here you can see the different classes within this digital elevation model. From here it's eminent, like these are the classes. Okay, and also you can change the color. Let me select this color. Now here you can see the color.